Hi friends, today we are going to use graphs to interpret data and answer questions. So I'm going to model this one for you guys and explain exactly how we use these graphs to answer questions and solve problems, and then I'm going to have you guys do one or two on your own. Well, remember my friends, when we are doing math, we do not say, I don't know. We think about what we do know, and I want you to remember that as I go over this. I'm going to read the problem. Abby asks 15 students if they like broccoli or carrots better. 6 choose broccoli, the rest choose carrots. How many choose carrots? Well, I want to think about what I know. I know Abby asks 15 students if they like broccoli or if they like carrots. 6 choose broccoli. So I know 6 students that she asked like broccoli. I can just maybe mark it so I know. The rest choose carrots. How many choose carrots? So when they're asking how many and they have this word, the rest, they're not giving us a number. So we don't know this. So we don't know how many like carrots. And I know I have to find out how many choose carrots. So I'm going to use a tally chart to find out the missing data. So think about it. We know 6 people like broccoli, so I'm going to make my tallies, and they make 5, 6. Now, to find out how many want carrots, you have to think about how many people were asked. How many? 15. So we can count on. We can put 6 in our head and count on until we stop at 15. So it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop. So you can look back and see how many tallies you made. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there were 15 people asked. I want to find the difference, so I'm going to subtract. 6 like broccoli, and I made 9 tallies. So 9 people, I know 9 people like to eat carrots. So how many more students like to eat carrots? 9, okay? Now I can use this to answer more questions. I want to know how many more students chose carrots and broccoli. Well, how many more students chose carrots than broccoli? All right, so I'm going to look at the greater number. There were 9 students that liked carrots. And I'm finding the difference when I want to know how many more. So the difference is 3. And this is finding it without a data chart, without a picture graph. So let's look at here. It says, draw the missing symbols in the picture graph. This is going to help us. Jim asks 9 members of his family for their favorite fruit. 6 people say they like oranges. The rest say they like apples. How many people say they like apples? Well, we're going to do this by making a favorite fruit picture graph. So let's go back. Jim asked 9 members of his family for their favorite fruit. 9 total people were asked. 6 of them say they like oranges. Let's count oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people like oranges. The rest say they like apples. Well, remember, 9 people were asked, but right now only 6 gave their likes. So let's count on. Put 6 in your head, and we're going to stop at 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. How many people like apples? 3. I can use my picture graph to solve this. So how did I know how to stop at 9? Well, if I look back in the problem, it says Jim asked 9 members of his family for their favorite fruit. That's our topic. Did he ask if they liked oranges? No, he wanted to know their favorite fruit. 6 people said oranges and 3 people said apples. So I'm going to stop counting at 9. If I look at this, how many more people like oranges than apples? Well, up here I did a subtraction problem. So over here I can use the graph to look. I want to know how many more people like oranges than apples. Well, if I was to match, I can match apples to oranges. But these three do not have a match. So there are three more. Three more people like oranges than apples. And if I wanted to solve this in a subtraction problem, it would be 6 minus 3 equal 3. So I found the difference between the people who liked oranges and the people who liked apples. 3 more liked oranges. Now you are going to try doing the rest on your own. You can look back at the video of me modeling how to do this, but I think my friends have it. Please send me an email or a Parent Square message if you have any questions.